Any attempt to resolve the issue, Kashmiri people should be consulted first, and then India and Pakistan, how they withdraw their forces. We are here today in Capitol Hill to deliver these 14 folders to all 14 members of the Foreign Affairs Subcommittee for South and Central Asia.
They will understand the implications of Kashmir problem. Kashmir is surrounded by three nuclear neighbors, China, India and Pakistan. And India and Pakistan are important stakeholders. If there is a nuclear skirmish between India and Pakistan, it will affect about 2 billion people.
Actually, Farooq Siddiqui Sahab prepared this brief for all 14 people who are on the subcommittee, and this folder and all the information, what happened in 1947, what was before 1947, and what happened in 1988, and what is going on now. So everything is covered, and he also mentioned that what we can do as American citizens and as American politicians to help people who are under subjugation. And this folder also mentioned that because since 70 years, whenever there is negotiations between India and Pakistan, there is no Kashmiri people.
My people have been suffering, and since last 70 years there have been atrocities on the people of Kashmir, where youth have been killed, women have been raped, children have been maimed, and India is denying the basic rights of Kashmiris. What United States could imply, and other world powers imply on India to come onto the negotiating table and discuss this problem with Pakistan and genuine leadership of Indian-occupied Kashmir.
Ask the American administration to help in this, that we can have a elected Senate from all parts of the divided Kashmir who can have their session in any independent country outside India, Pakistan, and they can be a part of the peaceful process.